Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix failed to load steamui.dll error in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. I am getting this error when I trying to install Steam. You just need to close it off here. Just need to right click on the Steam on the desktop. If you're not having Steam in desktop, then you just need to go to search menu and type Steam. Right click on the Steam and select open file location. Again right click on the Steam and select open file location, and now you just need to right click on the Steam and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and checkmark run this program in a compatibility mode for Windows 8 and select apply and OK for save changes. Now try to open the Steam. In my case, my problem has been resolved guys. As you can see, that Steam has been extracted. As you can see, my Steam error has been resolved guys. In case if you still having issue, then one final thing you can try guys. Close it off here and go to search menu and type percentage app data percentage. Again opens up file folder, click on open it, go back to app data over here, click on it, double click on the local, and now search for Steam, and you just need to right click on it and select delete it guys. After deleting it, close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, try to install it back. Hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.